Hello everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have an interesting taillight build for you. This is for the Cadillac XLR. These taillights are an exception because they are no longer in production and they are extremely difficult to get a hold of. They are factory LED boards, and when the LEDs fail, they are difficult to repair and impossible to replace. There is a YouTube video out there on how to repair them. We attempted a repair on one of them previously and it was successful for a short period of time. So what I did was I took them apart and I installed two 9-inch Diode Dynamics LED strips right there. They are the dual intensity reds, so we're going to be able to have a parking light circuit as well as a brake circuit. And then I decided to go a little bit custom and I put a 9-inch switchback strip behind that clear section. So what was originally just a turn signal there will now be a bright, beautiful amber LED turn signal, but also will, when it's wired up correctly, double as an additional supplemental reverse light. So let's fire these things up so you can see how they look. First, of course, we're going to have the parking light circuit, which is 50% illumination on these dual intensity red strips. When we hit the brakes, they're going to go even brighter. As you can see, look, it's even brighter. Turning off the parking lights now and demonstrating the turn signal, it will look something like that. Again, a nice, beautiful, bright amber strip in there. Showcasing the other side now. I'm just touching the wire by hand onto the power supply. I'll get these installed onto the vehicle later, which will be really interesting to be able to see, because then you'll be able to see how this reverse light, as you can see they light up white in that section, will tie into the existing vehicle. Now this is a build that I would be able to perform remotely, as if somebody sent me their tail lights, then I would be able to perform the modifications and mail them back. I am not going to inventory these tail lights. I'm not going to keep them on hand. However, it should be noted that this is absolutely not a plug-and-play modification. We are going to end up with 6 individual LED drivers, and they will have to be wired into the existing vehicle harness, which is something that I do, somebody who is qualified and competent in vehicle electrical systems. Also, in case you didn't notice, these are particularly shiny, and that is because, as client requested, I clear coated them so they have a new protective finish. So they are going to resist UV damage for that much longer. They're going to be nice and durable, but primarily because this tail light, there was a crack right in there. So we had a concern about water penetration in the future. So the clear coat basically just sealed over that crack, and we're going to make sure that it doesn't continue to spread moving forward. All in all, I'm really excited to install these on the car. That'll be a future upcoming video. I've got a couple other things in line ahead of this, but just wanted to post these out there and say, hey, check them out. We have a potential solution for all of you XLR owners out there. I have no interest in doing the repairs for people, but I'll definitely do the upgrades. Contact information will be located in the video description. There's going to be a link to my website there. There is a build request form on that website. All build requests must go through that form on the website. Pricing and product information will also be located in the video description if you have any additional questions about what I utilize to pull off this build. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll see you.